I love my makeup, y'all. That's all I gotta say is I love it.
Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. They're not gonna put you in.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Now today we are doing makeup. However, we aren't using foundation. If you're new here, hey, my name is Destiny. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on the video and supporting me. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Leave a comment below if you like my makeup look or not. And then if you aren't new here, hello, welcome back. I love y'all. Thank you all for supporting me as you always do. And I just give thanks to y'all and I love y'all. But yeah, so we're finna get into this look, y'all, without using foundation. Now, a lot of the other stuff I'm using still, I kind of using my full glam, except for like one or two products or so. However, we are still finna look cute and look natural, and this is for my girls who are going back to school, whether it's high school or college. If you don't want to do that full glam, because it is hot, and I mean it is hot, y'all. So if you don't want to do that full glam with the foundation and the baking and etc., then just keep on watching this video. All right, I zoomed in a little closer for y'all so y'all can see up close and in depth what I am doing. So first, the skin. It's late, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So I didn't do my skincare until this morning, so it's later. It's like 10:30. I'm gonna prime the face. I am using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. However, a good drugstore alternative would probably be like e.l.f. or NYX. Either one of those. But yeah, I'm only putting it in the areas where I'm going to be applying some product. Now, I'm not applying all of my face, y'all, so I am leaving out some areas. So I'm just putting it in my T-zone area, which is also kind of my problem area. Next, I'm going in with my eyebrow pencil. So right now I'm using the Benefit Brow. However, drugstore alternative, I would say Milani. Yeah, Milani got some good eyebrows. Like when I first started, that was where I bought my stuff from. So don't sleep on them just yet. So make sure y'all check them out. They have a good selection. It's also a true color brown as well. It's not no type of like warm brown or like no red brown. It's a true type of brown. But yeah, but make sure you all start off with your eyebrows arched, waxed, threaded, whatever your preference is. Make sure you start off with some clean eyebrows, and make sure you also clean your brushes. Don't be like me and don't clean your brushes. But I'm going in to fill my brows, and I just do light strokes, y'all. Nothing too serious. I'm not good as my brow like I would like to be. Let me say that. I want to get better. I'm still learning my way, still learning how I like to do my brows. I really just started back doing makeup more frequently lately, mostly probably for YouTube. All right, y'all, so this is what my eyebrows look like. They're uneven. They're gonna always be uneven, y'all, but I just lightly went in with them. Remember, y'all, y'all brows are sisters, sometimes even cousins, but they're not identical sisters. Remember that. I promise you that will save you so much time, effort, and everything. But yeah, so this is how my brows are looking. I do not clean them. I do not do anything because I want them to still look kind of natural and don't look like I tried to carve them out. So I just went through my actual eyebrow arch and everything. So this is typically what my brows are looking like. And so next I just go in with a concealer. I'm using my P. Louise base. This is technically a concealer, y'all. Like, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, this is a concealer. And I go in with a shade lighter than my skin tone. Literally a shade lighter. Don't go too light. Don't try to brighten it. We're just giving a little natural look finish. And so next I just go straight to my eye. I just put it up there. Go into like get rid of blemishes or so on the skin. Blemishes don't really bother me because it makes it look like a natural finish when you're doing a look like this. But I know some people, they mind the blemishes. So use this time to go in and get rid of any blemishes, any redness, or whatever the case may be. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush right here, just something very fluffy, y'all, to just pick up my contour shade, and I'm just go across it on the eyes. I'm only doing my under eyes, and that's really about it, my under eyes. So I don't put any concealer on my forehead, nose, or chin. What I do is whatever's remainder off of the brush that I use to blend out my concealer, I go over those spots with it so it won't be too heavy. Just take about that much right there on each side. A blending brush, I'm using this Real Techniques setting brush. I use it to blend because it's like the best brush to blend for me. This is the first layer. It looks very natural, looks very radiant. I go back in a second layer, just a tiny bit. Like I said, yeah, I got dark circles, so I'm trying to get rid of those the best way I can. This is when I go over forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and then chin. But this is when I go in with, with some contour. I just take my normal contour shade. Right now I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Rich Ebony, and I just put a tad bit, like right there. Yeah. And then I put some on the other side. The bridge of my nose. Just a tad bit. Just a thick, this brush right here, the MAC 129S is what it's called. And I just blend. And this is what we come out with. After I finish both sides, I take a smaller brush. I'm using the Real Techniques Expert Concealer brush. This is what it looks like. Take this brush and I just go down the bridge of my nose. I typically go too heavy on the contour on the nose, y'all. So if you need to, you can just make it lighter. So I don't use any blush simply because I don't have any foundation on, so I don't have anything to wash my face really out. And as you can see with the concealer, it gives it like this brownish, orangish, whatever tone. And I like it like that. Like, this is, in my opinion, a natural makeup look. I do go in and I set my concealer using the Fenty Beauty Hazelnut powder. This is the closest powder to my skin tone. So just find some, as I was saying, so just find something closer to your skin tone and it'll work as a good highlighter. Well, a highlight concealer. We go over the nose area, but I don't think I need to. I think I look good without it. Next, I set my concealer shade with Fenty Beauty Mocha Mommy. This is what it looks like. And so y'all just use a shade that's close to y'all once again. And just set the area that we went over. But just set over the area that we put the concealer at, or the contour at. Put a little bit up here, just to give it a little coverage, a little something. Nothing too much. Once I do that, I go over the nose with the brush I had earlier, just to set it. Put some highlight on my cheek. I have a glitter highlight from Beats by Deb. So it's just a little bit. I don't know if you can see it, but it is not, and I mean not too much. Next, I go in with a mascara. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. Y'all, I've had this for years, and so I need another one. Fenty, send me another mascara, please. But yeah, I can tell that I love using Fenty Beauty. I think that's what it is. I love me some Rihanna. And so yeah, just coat the lashes. Just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. And then, so now I just go in and I line my lips. Right now I'm using the MAC lip liner in Chestnut. It needs to be sharpened, y'all, so don't talk about me. So we just gonna line them the best way we can, because I ain't gonna sharpen them for no reason. Instead of me trying to reuse my MAC, I'm just gonna use this NYX one in the shade brown. It's a little darker, so I'm really gonna have to work with it. Alright, then I take my lipstick in the shade Whirl. Actually, this has been used too, y'all, so don't talk about me. Not the best lip, but it's gonna have to work. And then I take the other shade that I showed y'all earlier in the center. And then I go over with a lip gloss. I'm using Milani in the shade Champagne. And then I set it with the Milk Hydro Grip Setting Spray. And this, y'all, is the finished look. I like it. It's cute. It's natural for school. So not too much makeup or anything of that nature. Now, if you want to spice it up, do you like a little cute little eye, or like more blush, or you want to just do full face, go ahead and do it, girl. But this is cute for like a everyday look, a no makeup look, no foundation. And so this is, it's so pretty in my opinion. Like, I'm in love with it. Let me know below if you like the way it turned out, if you like how natural it looks without like I'm doing too much, and like I just add like some little contour here. And I think that's the beauty of it in my opinion. Now, the lip could have probably been a little bit more neutral, but I ain't mad at it, so yeah. But yeah, y'all, so this is the finished look. Let me know if you like it down below. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you comment, like this video, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. I love my makeup, y'all. That's all I gotta say is I love it, and I don't even want to take it off, and I need to go to bed. I gotta work in the morning, so let me get up and get going.
Hop in her, throw up the sex in her.